Yo, I ain't pretty devastating. Bro, this place is so cooked.
The only one out here was out here. The other group grabbed him and brought him over.
Outlaw. Dude, they're like, all the picnic tables are like half in the sand.
Everybody doing okay? No, the others are too big to move. So they're not worried about that. Other stuff is rooted in the ground or it's buried so deep they can't get it. He's probably moving into a pile. It's all going. I would say at this point, it's one of those things, like, it's kind of overwhelming. Yeah. You know, it's like, what do you do? I mean, you look at it. The county has their plan, and I'm not even privy to that. But I would say, if any little small stuff, I mean, it's all kind of spread out, so walking that way. If it's debris as far as yard waste, just grab it. One of the other ladies, she was finding a bunch of plastic here. I said, grab a bucket, and if that is still good, just grab it again. I mean, you're not hurting anything by doing it. The whole plan, we got our plan. This is like the 8th trip that we're going to volunteer side of this. But the county picked it all up as a before. So, we're kind of trying to go slow. The only volunteers that are left on the island right now. No one else is even allowed on the island. So there's an opportunity to do some seeing. Definitely. I'm at a loss for words of what that impact like. Yeah, long process. Oh, brother. Yeah. And then my wife just sent me the projected tracks on this next one that's on the way.
I know.
It's coming right
here.
It
almost feels like let's wait until after.
No, I agree. I totally agree. That one's more of a hurricane, though. I guess their thought is any debris we can get now is less flying debris for that one, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah. Just big a pile. Yeah. Yeah. I have more water than whatever you tell my name.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning. Alright, for those of you who could not hear what the cop was saying, or for those of you who couldn't understand the cop or were confused of what he was saying, he was basically saying he was basically telling us like what needed to be like cleaned up the most. Like he was telling us like some stuff there's like nothing we could do about it with our hands and stuff. So he's basically just telling us to like pile up debris and stuff, and then we were talking about the hurricane, because there's another hurricane coming into Florida and it's going to be hitting in the exact same spot. Him and my dad were talking about how we should just wait for the next hurricane to come and then like clean up. Like it's almost like we should just wait for the next one to come through and then clean up. And the cop agreed, but he was also saying that like it's better to like clean up as much as we can so that when the next hurricane comes through, the stuff won't fly away. Like it's less debris that will fly away and stuff. So that's basically what he's saying. He was just telling us what would be best for us to do, and like he was just introducing himself and telling us that he's got waters and snacks in a cooler and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool guy, but yeah, that's basically what he was telling us. So yeah. Sand everywhere. Got a dead snake here. Yo, Isaac, Isaac. Oh my God. Yo, shit, get out of here. Bro. There must not be no food for them.
Bro was desperate.
Yo, you gotta go, buddy. Yo, buddy, leave. Oh shoot, he's gonna kill me. Yo, I ain't got none.
No, we're not stupid.
Just give him.
You gotta put hand in it. It's like a walnut.
What are you doing, baby?
It's all flooded over there. I gotta get back to work. Yeah. Picking up trash. You know the deal.
I found a golden bottle cap.
This place is absolutely like cooked. Here's a better view of that flooding. Alright chat, I'm taking a break right now. This place is absolutely cooked. But yeah, we're getting a lot done. I just picked up a bunch of trash. We're picking up debris and stuff. Clam trucks are on the way, but yeah, this is pretty devastating. I wish I got some before videos of this place, because it is destroyed. It's not like destroyed, but there's like sand everywhere. There's floods, trees, collapsed buildings. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Buried in the sand.
trying to figure out who else we have out here. I never did a head count.
I wonder if there's good fishing in there.